Oh, perhaps. Depends how brave you are. We are lucky that we've still got a little bit of daylight left. It's a bit on the cloudy side, and we've got about half an hour until that sunset around 7 p.m. But we are now at that time of year where the daylight is shortening its most quickly. That tends to happen in September around the equinox, which we had on Monday, and it's all to do with the tilt of the Earth. So what that means is we're losing about 25 minutes of daylight a week, and in 2 weeks' time, well, the sun will be setting around now. But we have enjoyed some really lovely photos around this sunset time. Take a look at these ones that were sent in from. Yeah, a little bit cooler. Today we had highs of 18 degrees, and you mentioned a sea dip. There's the sea over there. Doesn't look all that inviting, but it's not far off our air temperature, 17 degrees. So if you are going for a morning dip, the sea will actually feel a bit warmer than the air temperature. But let's get all the weather details now. Here's the forecast. Well, we've had a good deal of bright weather to enjoy today, but those clouds never too far in the distance on the horizon there. Let's take a look at the scenes from this morning at Half Day Park. Beautiful video sent in, the waves gently lapping at the shore, some sunshine, but still those clouds in the distance. Some other photos though show we did have that brightness. Let's see what's in store though for the next few days, and really we've got more of the same. It's the kind of weather where you may want to take a few layers and options to prepare for the different conditions. Should be mostly dry, but you could be unlucky and get caught by a shower. Lots of sunshine in the picture, but some cloud coming and going at times, and feeling a little bit fresh. Temperatures a few degrees below the average for the time of year, with some cooler nights in the picture too. Taking a look at tonight in detail then, we have got mainly clear skies, and that's what's going to allow those temperatures to fall away, allowing the heat to escape. So it is a little bit cooler, perhaps the odd shower tonight, and minimum temperatures of around 11 degrees. So we head into tomorrow, we're going to do it all again, so a similar sort of day to what we've had today. Lots of sunshine, still some cloud around, and perhaps you might be unlucky and get caught out in the odd shower. Pleasant where we do have the sun, not feeling too bad temperature-wise. Obviously a little bit chillier if we are in a cloudier spell, and especially if you get caught in the shower. Maximum temperatures of around 18 degrees Celsius, and we've still got that northeasterly breeze around a light force 3 to moderate force 4. Let's get a check on our times of high water now, between around 9 and 10 in the morning. Similar later on between 9 and 10 p.m. is the time for high water, with the sea temperature at 17.2 degrees Celsius. So moving through the week, we are on the edge of this area of high pressure. That's why our conditions are mostly settled for the next few days. We can see that on the outlook, some sunny spells, small chance of a shower, and temperatures in the mid to high teens. Hello there, very good morning to you. Today, a similar sort of day to what we've enjoyed most of this week. That means mainly sunny, mainly dry, but there is some cloud around at times, and with that you could be unlucky and get caught out by the odd shower. Still that northeasterly breeze with light to moderate winds and highs of 18 degrees Celsius.